In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export your Adobe Premiere Pro project in Adobe Media Encoder. To do this, simply go over to File, scroll down to Export and select Media. Now if you select Export over here, what's going to happen is that it's going to be exporting within Premiere Pro, and within this period you can't get any other job done. But the beauty about it is that if you send it to Adobe Media Encoder, you can continue working in Premiere Pro while Adobe Media Encoder is exporting the project for you. So to do that, I'm going to cancel this and go back to File and scroll down to Export and select Media. Now what I'm going to do is to come down here, and at this portion here you will see Send to Media Encoder depending on your version of Premiere Pro, or what you will see here is Queue. I'm going to select Send to Media Encoder. Automatically Adobe Media Encoder will be launched. You can come over here and select H.264 and adjust the settings. You can come over here and give it an output name. I'm just going to give this Export and hit OK. So you can change the format. I'm going to leave it at H.264. You can change the preset and all of that. I'm going to hit OK now. And all you need to do is just hit this play icon over here, and this is automatically going to begin to export in Adobe Media Encoder. And if you go back to Premiere Pro, the beauty about it is that you can still work on your project in Premiere Pro even while that is going on in Adobe Media Encoder. And that's it guys on how to export Adobe Premiere Pro project in Adobe Media Encoder.